Want to know the real difference between business owners who are winning with AI and those falling behind? It's not the tools, it's not the tech, and it's definitely not memorizing GPT prompts. And if you missed the internet boom or Bitcoin, AI is the next massive wealth creation event. And this time, you have time if you move right now. Hi, I'm Mike Koenigs, and after presenting to Tony Robbins Platinum Partners, Peter Diamandis, E360 members, and XPRIZE, MIT, and the UN, I've helped over 20,000 founders implement AI successfully. Now, on June 2nd and 3rd in San Diego, we're gathering an intimate group of serious business owners for a hands-on workshop to build AI into their empires and businesses in just 48 hours.
I recommend the AI Accelerator because I think that in general, people who aren't tech savvy, this makes it easy to be tech savvy.
If you're sitting on the fence, I recommend just jump. Just do it. Because everything that you're going to be learning in the AI Accelerator, you can start using right away. And any money that you put out for this course, you will make it back tenfold.
2 members of your implementation team can join virtually, and you can add more if you want. That way, you'll get clarity, key implementers on your team who can attend, and you know you're not going to walk away feeling like you just got a bunch of homework with nothing to show for it. Now, we've spent months crafting a curriculum that I know will work for you and your business. And here's what that framework is in 4 in-person modules. Number 1, your AI capability amplifier. This is how you'll be able to get done more faster, that you don't have to delegate, so you can compress months into minutes and replicate yourself and your knowledge. Number 2 is your one-person marketing machine. Every business wants this. This is how to create 90 days of attention-getting, reach-extending, customer-getting content in under 48 hours without adding more people. Number 3 is your category of 1 authority brand building system. This is how to 3 to 10x your offer value and your prices without adding more people and more delivery complications. Number 4, your AI scale engine. This is how to automate everything from sales to follow-up without adding overhead. Agents are the future of automation, boosting your teams without adding more people. Plus, we're going to do a bonus module on AI and longevity, because what good is all this high-tech mumbo-jumbo if you don't have your body and brain functioning properly?
This was going to be the shortcut, the cheat code, the way that I could really speed up my own results, because I wouldn't have to fumble around, wonder, well, is this program any good for that purpose? Well,
the playbooks are invaluable, and you get to learn so much about other businesses, which you find is actually very relevant to you. So it really expands your knowledge overall.
Now, every module includes real-life case studies with real businesses who are using these systems right now, step-by-step demonstrations to show you how, and your teams, hands-on implementation workshops, proven tool guides, playbooks, and workflows that you can pass along to your team, and time to reflect and share your findings with the group. Now, my good friends and AI Accelerator wizards, Brad Costanzo and Joe Fear, will be there to guide you through each step so you won't be left behind. They are brilliant marketers, implementers, and amazing human beings. And there's no question AI is best learned with immersion and doing. And here we have a saying, no homework, get it done now. Plus, my 22-year-old son will be there sharing how he revolutionized audiobook creation with AI, and when you register, I'm going to send you copies of all my audiobooks that he created. Because this isn't just about business, it's about creating lasting impact that starts with our own families. I am very passionate about how AI is going to affect our children and the future of their jobs. So welcome to what I call my chosen family of aliens, the visionaries who see the future before everyone else. The ones who know that being early to AI is like buying Bitcoin in 2010 or grabbing Google or Apple stock at IPO.
It has truly been a game changer. There are things that we've been able to incorporate and utilize in just the first few weeks that we would have never imagined being able to do on our own without using the technologies that have been introduced to us.
I want to move faster and reach more people. So I love this program because it enables me to do that. It enables me to have AI working for me, working for my team, so we can get content out there faster, more effectively, more efficiently. We're using AI to create greater impact and income.
So when you register right now, you'll get complete AI implementation systems, complimentary virtual team tickets, you can always get more, real-time transcripts and recordings, step-by-step playbooks and workflows, live implementation support, lifetime connections with serious founders. It's something I'm so passionate about. We put high quality people in the room who become lifetime collaborators. And we're also including 3 pre-event training sessions to get you started and meeting other members and founders before you walk in the room. I'm gonna sweeten the deal. The first 20 registrants will get a private one-on-one deep dive session with our powerful AI vision tool that will show you a better version of your future self and your business and make detailed recommendations on how to elevate yours and your business brand. So what's your investment? There's a code on this page that you can use to get in at a special early bird rate. But the longer you wait, the more the price increases and the early access bonuses disappear. So here's what to do right now. Go to the bottom of the page, use the early bird code, lock in your spot, the one-on-one sessions, extra seats, and other bonuses before they're gone. And the longer you wait, the further you'll be left behind and the more you'll pay, just like real life. So remember what Dr. Betty Murray discovered: if you don't learn AI now, you won't be here in the future.
I knew that if I didn't get a handle on AI, that it was really going to be a problem for my business later on.
So I will see you in San Diego, and welcome aliens to the family you choose who are invested in your better future self.
So now that I'm using AI through the AI Accelerator program, I use it on a daily basis. There's not one day that goes by that I'm not using some format for a funnel, for an email sequencing, for even doing a complete overview of an article that I might want to do for a PowerPoint presentation.
After working with the AI Accelerator team, I have gained a bunch of hours back for myself that I've been able to reinvest in myself and my family and for my team. I would call those revenue generating hours that I've been able to get back.